Before the game, we were talking about how your last two games was decided by a single possession. Tonight, the game felt closer than what the final score says. How do you break down this game and how you again escape with the victory?
When you're when you're playing teams, terra firma, their effort is 100% every single game. They don't care where their standing is. Basta pagpasok nila ng laro, their goal is to win and do their very best. That's why you can't take these teams lightly, really. If you look at if you look at the standing, they're at the bottom and we're at the top. But it doesn't mean that they won't play to the best of their ability when they play anybody. So, and that's what happened today. I give credit to the second group wherein they gave the energy that was needed, which we were done already by 15, I think, and we were able to catch up slowly and eventually get the lead by the second group, and then the first group finished the game for us.
And now we open the floor to questions from the media.
Bert, mahirap na naman yung ano mo, yung 4 mo, ano bang nangyari doon?
Wala, shot clock na kasi, so kailangan ko na ipatuloy. Pero yun nga,
Okay.
parang for sure, when next practice namin, medyo marami kami video for sure. Pangit ng laro namin ngayon, sobra pangit ng laro namin is, hindi kami pwede ganito eh. And lalo na mga next games namin, number 1 sa league, tapos yung Converge, na panalo. Hindi kami pwedeng akyat baba, kumbaga. Dapat yung nilaro namin sa third quarter, ganun kami lagi every game, every quarter. And for sure, makikita namin yan for sure, si Coach Joe makikita niya yan. 85 points, okay, maganda yung defense namin, pero hindi siya masayang panalo, ang pangit ng laro namin. So, kailangan tingnan namin yung sarili namin and wala may killer instinct kami sa mga ganitong situation na bigyan kami ng opportunity, ang daming gusto mag-top 4, may chance kami. Kailangan kunin namin yung mga ganitong hindi pwedeng pasok kami sa game na parang nag-start sa akin yung sama ng first quarter, second quarter, nung third. Naging aggressive kami, nilaro namin yung laro namin. Yun yung laro namin yung third quarter. So, dapat every quarter ganun yung effort namin. So, for sure makakarinig kami kay Coach niyan sa next practice. Ang dami yan for sure. Ako rin. Sino to? Bravo hayop na yan. Laging, pag binabaksa to, tumatama kasi sa board. Pupunta talaga sa kanya. So, credit din sa kanya. Ang galing din niyang kumuha ng offensive rebound. Kailang siya 7. Halos kalahati ata dito sa akin. Tapos yung turnover pa kalahati sa akin. So, kailangan start din sa akin. So, for sure, after nito pag-uwi, nagod ako ng game, tingnan ko kung saan ako mas mag-improve. And hopefully, next game, number 1 sa league. Kailangan, yung mga turnovers na ganito, papatayin kami nila nun. So,
Coach, good evening, Coach. According to Sir Fidel, pasok na kayo sa quarterfinals.
Sa top 8. Sa 8.
So,
8 na 8 sa 8.
yeah.
Yeah, it's good we got through this game. If there's anything na positive sa laro to, nakapasok na kami. Pero hindi naman yung mabuti lang so that medyo
papasok na
nawala
yung
yung medyo yung pressure ng content, di ba? Pero still kailangan hindi naman top 8 lang naman yung namin. Siyempre, we want to get to the top 4 and eventually the semis. We are always in the quarterfinals but never in the semis. So that's our target.
Coach, yung pagkatali mo sa San Miguel, medyo sakit yan.
Hindi naman. Malakas naman talaga yung San Miguel. Malakas yung TNT. Pero, syempre, lahat naman tayo gusto manalo. But hindi naman siya yung iindahin namin later on. I think we played very well naman during that game. Mas maganda nga laro namin nun kaysa laro namin ngayon eh. Pero ngayon nanalo kami, doon natalo. So ganoon talaga. Pero Just as long as we take care of our job in the next 3 games, then we will be all right.
Coach, your next game will be against the number 1 team, Rain or Shine. So, ano ba yun for the top spot ba yun? Yung laban na kayo?
Hindi ko alam. Basta ang goal namin is to try to get to the, first is try to get to the top 4, that is first. And then if you have a chance to get to the top 2, then yun na yung next. Hindi naman namin tinanong, we have to get to the top 2. Siyempre, unti-unti. Now we get to the quarterfinals, next is to get to the top 4.
Okay.